student, this is our geography class and we are going to discuss our topic India, location and physical feature. Today our topic is location of India. In this video we will learn how to locate a place on a map or a globe. So let's start.
To find location of a place on a map or globe, we need a reference point. Point from where we can start. On a map is a two-dimensional in shape, so we generally use coordinate reference system. In this system, southwest corner of the map, it is taken as the starting point, and we have two type of axes, x-axis and y-axis. And if we know the value of coordinates, we can locate a place on a map easily. So here you can see, suppose here it is a place and the x coordinate is 7 and y coordinate is 4. So we can find the position of a place by using coordinate system in this way. Globe is three-dimensional in shape, so we cannot use coordinate reference system on a globe. So we use grid system to find the location of a place on the globe. So grid system is a network formed by latitude and longitude. So first we have to know about the latitudes and longitude. You have seen two type of lines here. Some lines are drawn from north to south and some are drawn from east to west. So some lines are vertical lines and some lines are horizontal lines. So vertical lines on a globe are known as longitudes, and horizontal lines, these lines are known as latitude. Here you can see horizontal lines on the left side. So these horizontal lines are known as latitudes. These are lines of latitudes. And on the right side, here you can see vertical lines, and these vertical lines are longitudes. Equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal halves. So here equator, north pole and south pole, these are our reference points. Equators divide the earth into two equal halves. The part of earth above the equator is known as northern hemisphere, and part of earth below the equator is known as southern hemisphere. So equator is dividing the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. From equator to north pole, there are 19 lines of latitudes, and from equator to south pole, there are also 19 lines of latitudes. So total lines of latitudes we have 180. So there are 180 lines of latitudes on the globe. The longitude of 0 degree is taken as a prime meridian. So prime meridian, it is also our reference point. To the east of prime meridian, the part of earth is known as eastern hemisphere, and the part of earth towards the west of prime meridian is known as western hemisphere. There are 180 lines of longitude towards the east of prime meridian and 180 lines of longitude toward the west of prime meridian. So total lines of longitudes on a globe are 180 plus 180, that is 360. So we have 360 lines of longitudes on a globe. To locate a place on map or globe, degrees are further divided into minutes. So there are 60 minutes in 1 degree, and minutes are also divided into seconds. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Now let us locate India on a globe. So to locate India on a globe, we have to memorize latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. So latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinal extent of India is 67 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Let's locate India now. So India lies entirely in northern hemisphere. It is above the equator, so it lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. And if we see that it is in the east side of prime meridian, so it lies in the northeastern hemisphere. The latitude of 8 degree 4 minute north touches the southernmost part of India here, and latitude of 37 degree 6 minute north touches the northernmost part of India. So India extends between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. In the same way, the longitude of 68 degree 7 minute east touches the westernmost part of India here, and longitude of 97 degree 25 minute east touches the easternmost part of India here. So India extends between the longitude 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So it is the location of India. Now here you can find the location of India. So here it is the location of India. So in this way you can find the location of any place on a map or globe. So dear student, I hope you have understand the topic. Thank you.